Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert a signature line in Microsoft Publisher. So get started. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show insert a signature line. Firstly, now we're going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click for a shape option. Now click for a line shape. Now draw a line shape. That's it. Now you can see. Then we show that insert signature line. Then again other signature line. Now going to the insert menu option. Then click for a shape option. Now select from lines. Now draw a signature line. That's it. Now you can see insert a signature line in Publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.